Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving into one of the most anticipated event in the tech world, GitHub Universe 2024. What is GitHub Universe 2024? GitHub Universe 2024 is the world's fair of software happening on October 29th and 30th in San Francisco, California. This event is massive gathering of developers, tech enthusiasts and industry leaders from around the globe. It's where AI, security, and the developer experience come together to shape the future of software development. So, why should you attend GitHub Universe 2024? Here are a few reasons. You will get to learn directly from experts and leaders driving our AI powered future. Be the first to discover GitHub's latest product innovations and how to use them in your projects. Connect with thousands of fellow developers and industry leaders. Participate in the interactive workshops, Q&A sessions and live exercises. Now let's take a look at some of the agenda highlights. Day 0, October 28th, special programming and on-site GitHub certification exams at the Intercontinental San Francisco. Day 1, October 29, door opens at 8 a.m. at Fort Mason Center. The day kicks off with a keynote at 9 a.m. followed by breakout sessions, demos and more. Day 2, October 30th, more breakout sessions, interactive activities and the chance to visit GitHub Expert Center for product guidance and demos. Now let's talk about pricing. In-person tickets are currently 20% off with early bird discount. This offer is available until 3rd September, so grab your tickets soon. There are also virtual attendance options if you can't make it to San Francisco. What can you expect at GitHub Universe 2024? A lot, from engaging sessions on AI, DevX, and security, to networking opportunities, and even food trucks and happy hours. Plus, don't forget to check out the GitHub shop for some cool swag. GitHub Universe 2024 is set to be an incredible event packed with learning, networking, and fun. Whether you are a seasoned developer or just start out, there is something for everyone. So mark your calendars for October 29th and 30th and get ready to be inspired. That's all for today's update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.